Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog again. So dito tayo mag-uumpisa ng ating vlog. Pero bago ang lahat, huwag kalimutang i-share at mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel para updated ka sa mga videos na aking pinopost. So pupunta kami guys sa Iloilo City, kaming tatlo, kasama ko ang aking kuya at syempre yung aking wife. We were invited by our cousin to go there because it is her wedding. So we were invited last week pa. So yung ginawa namin is nagpa-reserve kami na darating kami sa kanyang kasal. And we are so happy na invited kami sa kanyang kasal kasi it is her second wedding na. So nag-commute lang kami gamit ang Series Liner. And early kami umalis sa aming bahay which is 7:30 I think. Then habang kami ay nasa biyahe, nakita namin ito na marami ditong tao kasi it's fiesta pala dito. At hindi lang akong natingala kundi yung mga pasahero din. Then around 11:30 ay naka-arrive na kami dito sa terminal ng Iloilo. So sabi ni bro, mag-lunch muna kami kasi yung kasal is 2 p.m. pa yung schedule. So we have plenty of time pa para gumala and after that, pupunta na kami sa simbahan. Then sumakay kami dito sa bus na malamig while me, pa-chill-chill lang sa lamig o diba. Pero in fairness mga guys, maganda talaga yung nasakyan ko kasi malamig siya and very comfy. And here we are mga guys, so dito na kami magla-lunch. So kung taga Iloilo ka, alam mo tong lugar na to. Ayan, at maraming taong pumapasok dito kasi lunch time na talaga mga guys. So ayan, at kasama ko yung aking wife and yung aking brother. Just the three of us na lang mga guys kasi hindi sumama yung aking mother. So ayan mga guys, and we decided na dito na kami kumain at napakaraming mga ulam or bayan. Pagkakita ko pa lang ng mga ulam, nagutom na ako mga guys. Pati si bro nagutom na rin. So kami na yung umorder na dalawa. And shout out kay Mrs. na kumakain na and kay bro na ang ulam ay tinola o chifa. Sana all tinolang manok. Tinolang isda pala mga guys. Syempre di mawawala yung selfie. Then after namin kumain, ayan, at busog na busog kami. Since hindi kami familiar doon sa aming pupuntahan o sa church, nag-taxi na lang kami para madali. And finally mga guys, ayan, at naka-arrive na kami dito sa church at wala pang tao dito kundi yung mga wedding coordinators pa lang. So dito muna kami nag-standby and then ang ginawa namin dito is nagdasal muna kami since hindi pa naman nagsa-start at wala pa namang mga visitors. Then in a few moments, unti-unti nang dumarami yung mga bisita at saka dumarating na din yung mga entourage. Finally, nag-start na, ayan na yung kanilang entrance. Napakagandang foreigner. And that's my cousin, yung woman. And my another cousin together with her husband and child. Another cousin together with her husband. And the only boy which is also my cousin and her wife. Then ito yung mga aking mga hinablos sa pakaisa. Ayan, ang gagwapo nila. And here's my aunt and my uncle. Then the twins, here comes the bride, and here is my cousin, the one who has a wedding. She is so beautiful, having her white gown. Then after the entrance, ayan, at mag-start na yung ating kasalan. So fast forward na natin mga guys, ayan, at we are now in You May Kiss the Bride and photo shoot. Then after namin sa kasalan, syempre proceed kami dito sa reception together with our cousin. Nag-drive sa amin papunta dito. Ganda dito guys ang kanilang reception and subdivision. And here we are na mga guys sa reception. Ayan, so napakaganda ng kanilang setup dito and very beautiful yung pag-organize. Then there's a pool at the side of the reception. Ayan, so maganda dito guys. Maraming nagsiswimming, especially kids. Tapos sa kilid is merong lawn tennis. After namin magala-gala, ayan at pumasok na kami kasi magko-commence na yung kanilang program or yung kanilang reception program. And super galing talaga ng kanilang MC when it comes to hosting kasi isa siyang DJ. So bago mag-start yung program, meron munang dance number bago pumasok yung mga entourage. So kanilang talent yung pinakita nila. So maganda yung kanilang mga dances na pinakita mga guys. Super enjoy talaga kami ng aming kasamahan. Talagang napasaya talaga kami nila ng sobra-sobra. Hindi malilimutan mga guys. Then after ng entrance ng mga entourage, of course, yung ating newlyweds na yung nagpakitang gilas with their dance. So they enjoyed together with their special day, mga guys. So 'di ba? Kasi nakasana sila sa simbahan. Alright. So this is the dance of the groom to his mother. This time, this is the dance of the bride to her father. And this time, the moment of the newlyweds as they are going to dance together. And this is the moment of pinning the money, but the money will be pinned or will be hang on a rope. I think it's a rope. And after the wedding event, they opened the dance floor. Alright, dance na mga guys. Then after namin mag-attend ng kasal ng aking cousin, we decided to go home na. So that's all mga guys, and God bless everyone.